Ayan, so amazing morning everyone. So for today po, no, our topic is product knowledge. And then before I start, no, short background lang po. And my name is Crystal Jem Utohan. Ayan, former BPO call center sa Taguig, no? Pero natapos po natin is drafting technology. So kami po yung nag-design ng full house plan, sama mo na yung interior. Pero ano no, wala lang kaming lisensya. Ganun yung course natin. Pero, ayan 'no, so yun yung course natin pero ang ending BPO call center. So, today's training po 'no, bakit ko siya nakilala kasi because of our product. Maganda po kasi yung product natin, especially our best seller, the Amazing Pure Organic Party. So, while ano po waiting 'no, nag-share lang po ako ng ating screen. So, ayan, kita na po ba ng lahat? Ayan, so pa-type 1 kung kita na po 'no. Ayan. Wait lang mga mins. So, ayan po, no? So, welcome again to our product knowledge because knowledge is power and the key to good health is nature. So, once again, my name is Crystal Jem Utohan and I will be your speaker for tonight. And ayan nga po yung name ko, no? And what my journey po dito is, una po sa lahat, tayo po mismo is merong testimony. So, nagkaroon po tayo ng bukod sa ilalim ng baba, nagkaroon din po tayo ng hepatitis B, kidney stone, and acid reflux. So, hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, kundi 4 yung health concern po natin. So, kaya po, amaze na amaze po tayo sa barley kasi yung 4 na yon, ayan po, okay na po tayo, no? Especially po yung ating bukol sa ilalim ng baba. And then, hindi lang po ako yung naka-experience ng amazing or awesome na kayang ibigay ni Barley sa sa atin. So even po yung anak ko, yung panganay, kung nakikita niyo po ito, nagkaroon po siya ng bukol sa ilalim ng bukol sa dibdib. And pinag 2 to 3 months program ko po siya, pinag-continue ko siya ng pag-inom ng barley and good news po, yung bukol na po niya wala na po. And then yung anak ko po si Jairus, actually wala naman po siyang allergy. Kumain lang po siya kung alam niyo po yung crinkles na tinapay, so yun po yung kinain niya. Ta's nagkaroon siya ng patches sa katawan and then buti na lang pinainom ko siya na Amazing Pure Organic Barley, kinabukasan wala na yung kanyang patches or yung allergy. So gano'n siya ka-amazing. And then yung bunso ko vitamins na din po niya yan and kami po na mag-asawa. And then po 'no, hindi lang po ako 'no, pati yung mother ko, so di ko lang ma-play yung video. So kung makikita niyo po diyan, sinugod po namin sa hospital si mother kasi nag-seizure po siya 2 times. Kung alam niyo, kung nakakita na kayo or nakabalita na kayo ng parang ine-epilepsy, gano'n po yung nangyayari sa kanya. Pero nakatayo, gano'n po. 'Di ba? So biruin mo, makikita mo yung family or isang member ng family mo gano'n nangyayari, 'di ba? Yung gagawin mo, so magpapanik ka. So nung nagse-seizure siya, buti na lang po nasalo nung kapatid ko. Kung hindi, mauuna yung ulo, 'di ba? And then po, ang sabi kasi ng doktor, na-diagnose siya as diabetes. Then yung second doctor doon, ang sabi, rare daw yung nagsi-seizure because of diabetes. So, kailangan daw pa-double check, pa-second opinion. Kung ano daw yung ano ba daw talaga yung nagko-cause noong illness ni mother. So, ayun nga. So, third opinion namin dun sa high-end na hospital. Pag high-end, ang naisip nyo, medyo pricey. So, ayun nga. Gastusan tayo 88,000 mahigit. And then, buti na lang barley na lang po natin si mother. Ganun po kaganda yung ating Amazing Pure Organic Barley. Pero si mother po, hindi lang 1 box yung naubos. Almost 20 box po yung naubos niya na barley. Then, okay na po yung pakiramdam. And good news, ayan, wala pong ini-intake na medicine si mother, only barley na lang po. So, ganun po kaganda yung ating Amazing Pure Organic Barley. And then, ready na po ba ang lahat? Kasi po, once you become po a member dito sa ating company, ang tawag na natin po sa'yo is Agent of Hope. Bakit Hope? Kasi po, ang i-offer mo is health, opportunity, prosperity for everyone. Ganun po siya, no? So, naniniwala ka ba na yung health ang pinakayaman natin dito sa mundo? Hindi daw pera, hindi daw pieces of gold or silver, kundi yung health mo. Kasi hindi ka makakapagtrabaho kung yung health mo hindi okay. Kasi hindi ka makakapag-function ng properly, no? And then, ayan nga, isa sa vision ng company is lahat yan ma-checkan. Kasi 'di ba nung younger age natin, yung time natin okay, yung health natin okay, yun nga lang wala pa tayong money kasi asa pa tayo sa parents natin. And then nung age na tayo, yung time natin pinapalit na natin sa work. Kasi because of responsibilities, no, may kailangan bayadan. So yung time nawawala, kumbaga limited na. And then yung health, possible okay pa, and then meron na tayong money. Yun nga lang yung time, limited. And then, kapag daw pala tayo tumanda, yung time natin, possible, marami ka ng time kasi possible retired ka na. And then, yung health mo, if ever pala, kung gaano mo daw inigatan yung sarili mo on a younger age, dun mo daw makikita yon sa pagtanda mo. So, very important na alagaan po natin yung ating kalusugan. And then, possible may money na tayo kung may naipon. Paano po kung walang naipon? Eh di X din yung money, no? So, ang vision ni company, lahat po yan ma-checkan because of our business. Ganun po siya. Kasi, napansin nila, no, maraming tao trabaho ng trabaho, pero kakatrabaho nila, nakakalimutan nila alagaan yung health. Pag lumala yung kalusugan, yung inipon nilang pera sa trabaho, saan mapupunta? Sa health lang din po. So, yun po ang vision ni company, maging healthy tayo, at the same time, maging healthy po yung bulsa. 'Di ba? Ganun ka-amazing po yung ating company. And then, health. So, health nga po ayon kay Mahatma Gandhi is, it is health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver. And as sabi din po niya dyan, no, ayan nga, naulit lang pala. And then, disclaimer lang po, no, ito pong product knowledge natin, especially the amazing pure organic barley, hindi po siya gamot at hindi po siya pwedeng ipanggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit. Pero bakit ganon, Mens Gem or Mens Cristel? Ang promote nyo, natulungan yung cancer, ganon-ganon. Gamot sa cancer, ganon. Gamot sa diabetes, ganon. Ganito po kasi yon. Kami pong mga nagkasakit, example, yung mga may cancer, diabetes, hepatitis, katulad ko, kidney stone, bukol, no, acid reflux, tinry po namin yung barley. Nung hindi kami okay, hindi okay yung pakiramdam namin. Then, nung natry namin yung barley, umokey po yung pakiramdam namin. Kaya ang claim, nakakatulong po ito sa may mga health concern. Gano'n po siya. Kasi po kami po na-try namin, 'di ba? So gano'n po 'yun. Pero hindi po siya gamot, 'no? Nakakatulong. And then, eto po, 'no, a disease is to be cured naturally by man's own power and physician need to help it. So, naniniwala po ba kayo na kayo po mismo may kapangyarihan? So, ang kapangyarihan niyo po, 'no, possible na baka hindi po kayo aware, hindi niyo alam, 'no, kapangyarihan niyo, kaya niyo mag-repair on your own po. Paano? Ang example, Miss Jem, Miss Cristel. Sample, pagka po nasugatan ka, forever po ba yung sugat? 'Di ba hindi? So, naghihilom po. 'Di ba? Nagre-repair itself po yung sugat mo. Yun nga lang, baka maging peklat. So, ang point, naghi-heal. Naghi-heal ka ng sarili mo. So, naturally, nahi-heal mo yung sarili mo. So, physician need to help it lang. And then, eto po, 'no, ang barley po natin, the discovery of barley grass pronounce it as nature's best fast food due to its nutrients-dense profile and multi-dimensional benefit, which were also the reason for its popularity among ancient Greeks and Romans. So, nung panahon pala ng mga Greeks and Roman, no, popular na pala yung barley, no, and madami siyang benefits. Aside po dyan sa historical facts natin, meron po dito na apart from being used as livestock feed, recently barley grass has been gaining a lot of popularity around the globe for its ability to cure a broad spectrum of diseases. So as per checking dyan, no, nakaka-help pala si barley mag-cure ng disease, 'di ba? That's historical facts, no? And according po yan kay mismo sa ating scientist na si Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara, kinuha ko po tong information na to directly na po dun sa book niya, no, about barley. And do you believe po, no? Ayan. So, kung makikita niyo po, 37 times din po na mention sa Bible ang barley. So, kung if ever babasahin niyo po sa Bible, no? Hanap po kayo ng English version, yung King James Version na Bible. Then, search niyo po yung mga verse na yan. Makikita niyo po na si barley pala, ginagamit na nung hindi pa tayo pinapanganak. Oh, 'di ba? So, nung kauna-unahan. So, mas nauna pa si barley sa atin, 'di ba? So, ganun po siya. And then, ito po, isa sa verse na kung gusto nyo man po basahin, no, isa sa verse under Deuteronomy 8:7-18, For the Lord your God is bringing you into a good land, a land of brooks of water, of fountains and spring that flows out of valleys and hills, a land of wheat and barley, of vines and fig trees and pomegranate, a land of olive oil and honey, a land in which you will eat bread without scarcity, in which you will lack nothing. So, sa Bible na rin po pala nasabi na si Lord, binigay na niya lahat, including po yung barley, para daw hindi po tayo magkulang. 'Di ba? Gaano kagaling siya, no? So, ginawa po niya si barley. Siguro na-predict na ni Lord na mangyayari yung times no na maraming magkakasakit. So, kaya siguro niya ginawa itong barley, 'di ba? So, ang galing lang. And then po, ito po yung mga micronutrients na makikita nyo sa barley. So, actually, isang sachet pa lang, supplied ka na lahat ng nutrients na kailangan ng katawan mo. Bakit? Sobrang dami, Miss. Ang dami-dami na nutrients, no? So, kung iisipin mo, no, kung bibilihin mo yan, isa-isa per tablet sa labas, baka mas magastusan ka ng hindi lang 1,000. 'Di ba? Kung SRP price. Member price ka na since member ka, 'di ba? So, ganun siya, men. So, matipid na si barley. And then po, no, ayan, wait lang, nag-a-advance yung aking slide. Ayan. Wait lang moments. Tumalon. So, ayan. So, ayan po yung 68 micronutrients. And, ayan nga po, ang scientist po na na-discover si barley at pinag-aralan po si barley is si Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara. Siya po is from Japan. Then, nag-research po siya over 200 plus plants over 13 years. At na-discover niya na si barley pala was the most excellent for growth, repair, and well-being. So, scientist na po mismo din nagsabi na si barley po good for repair and well-being. And then, sabi po dyan, no, si Hippocrates po is a father of medicine, and ang sabi niya dyan, I cannot help seeing a comparison between the story of my own health and the story of us all living in the modern world. We seek health today in everything from synthetic pharmaceuticals such as vitamins, tablets, to mercury-laden drugs. This practice is bringing us all to ruin. So again po, no, I'm not against po sa mga medicines po sa labas, no, or yung mga medicines po na pine-prescribe ng doctor, hindi po against doon, no. So ang nagsabi po niyan or ano po niya, no, si Dr. Hagiwara and si Hippocrates, 'di ba? Which is the father of medicine. And then, no, sabi diyan ni Hippocrates, a good antidote for this erroneous perspective can be found in the saying of Hippocrates, the ancient Greek physician known as the father of medicine. So, the father of medicine na po ang nagsabi na a disease is to be cured naturally by man's own power and physicians help it. Diba? So, meron ka pong kapangyarihan, 'di ba? So, kailangan ma-cure naturally. And then, sabi diyan, in another civilization, another great man of medicine made the same discovery. Qin Huangdi, who in the Qin era of China compiled the fundamentals of Chinese medicine. He said, it is diet which maintains true health and becomes the best drug. So, ayan po, no, hindi po yung diet na ano ka, no, na di ka kakain, no, para mamayat ka, hindi po yung gano'n, no. Yung diet po na ang kakainin mo po is more on healthy foods, 'di ba? Organic foods, walang halong walang halong ano ba 'yun, preservative, gano'n po siya. So, kailangan pala, tinitignan daw po natin kung ano yung mga ini-intake nating mga food. And then ito po 'no, isang doktor po ang nagsabi 'no, hindi po ako. A doctor from 1965, sabi niya, there began an increase in the number of incurable and unusual disease. O sabi diyan, unusual disease. So hindi kilalang disease of which we had known little before, and also of various derangements in constitution. Now we are trying to find the right drug to cure this disease, but why? They cannot be cured. So kung mababasa niya, bakit hindi daw ma-cure yung mga incurable disease? Sabi diyan, bakit daw hindi ma-cure ng synthetic solutions? Because to a large extent, they are the result of the synthetic products that are taking an ever larger place in our lives. Okay guys, so hindi po ako nagsabi niyan, hindi po si Mentor Crystal, no? Doctor na po ang nagsabi niyan, 1965 pa po pala. Diba? So kayo na po ang mag-ano, no? Pero hindi po ako against doon, pero doctor na po nagsabi. So, ayan po, next po tayo. Then, warning from a doctor again. When I was devoted to the study of pharmaceutical, so si Dr. Hagiwara nagsasabi dito, my mentor, Dr. Atsushi Fujita, warned me, this is an era of modern medicine almighty and of a belief in synthetic pharmaceuticals. But if such an era continue, mankind will suffer progressively from serious disease 10 to 20 years from now. 'Di ba? So, sa tingin niyo po ba nangyayari na po? 'Di ba? So, nangyayari na po, no? So, kumbaga, ang panahon natin ngayon, paniwala na sa pharmaceutical, synthetic, no? But, kapag daw nag-continue, mankind will suffer. So, kaya tayo nandito, no, para to share. To share natin yung opportunity ng ating amazing product, kung gaano tayo natulungan, gaano natulungan yung mga mentors natin, no? So, ayun po, no, mga men. So, kailangan sharing is caring. And then, sabi dyan, nature provides the key to good health. Now is the time when we should stop to reflect upon the marvelous vitality of the earth, which expresses itself most profoundly in the cycle of the green leaves. So, dapat pala daw, nire-recognize natin yung nature. Bakit? So, sino po dito yung nasabihan ng bata or elementary, high school, or college na sabi, kumain ka ng gulay. Bakit daw? Para humaba ang iyong buhay. 'Di ba? So, ganun daw po pala yun. Totoo pala yung sinabi nila. Gulay is life. 'Di ba? And then, let's proceed to the information to our product, Amazing Pure Organic Barley. Barley amount per gram, guys, 3 grams po siya, no? Equivalent po nung 3 grams is 100 grams, 'di ba? So, ito guys, no, yung iba kasi na ang konti daw nung sachet natin, 3 grams lang. Pero kung iisipin po, no, mukha lang siyang konti kasi pulverized na. Pero yung 3 grams po, kung makikita nyo dyan, 2 dakot na po yun ng damo. Diba? Sino po yung nakapaggamas ng elementary? 'Di ba? So, kuha ka ng 2 dakot ng damo. Ganun po yun kadami. So, madami or madami? Madami po yung 3 grams or yung 1 sachet. Then, the nutrients contained in it is equal to 300 grams of cabbage. O, diba? So, kung pag uminom ka pala, may 300 grams of cabbage ka na nakain or nainom. Or more than 1 head of lettuce. Diba? So, yung 1 gram, konti ba? Di ba hindi? Diba? Ganun po yun. And then, recommended dosage. Kapag po ang iinom is infant or baby po, no, maganda po 2 to 3 times a day in a dosage of 1 gram. So, yung 1 sachet po natin, 3 grams po siya. So, pwede nyo po siyang hatiin morning, tanghalian, then dinner. So, pwede po yun. Kasi po, 3 grams naman po yun. 2 to 3 times a day, pwede nyo po silang painumin. Kapag po school children, like elementary, di ba? Yung mga high school, 2 to 6 grams. So, dalawang sachet per day kung wala pong health concern. No? Ayan. Pati po sa adult na walang health concern, 2 sachet per day will do. Pero kung ikaw po is merong acidic or merong kang symptoms ng disease, may mga health concern ka, ang sabi po dyan, twice the ordinary dosage is recommended. Ayan. So, twice po, no? So, yung 2 sachet, pwede mong gawin 4 sachet. Pwede din pong 6 sachet. Ganun po siya. Kasi pwede po i-mega dose yung barley po natin kasi healthy po siya at safe. Then, how to prepare? So, yung barley po natin, later on na lang, no, share ko yung paano siya i-prepare kasi mababanggit naman natin mamaya. So, sa isang sachet ng barley, ano ba yung makukuha mo? Ano na ba yung maibibigay nito sa katawan mo, no? So, mabibigyan ka na niya ng 5 essential nutrients ni barley sa iyong katawan. Bakit? Ano ba yan? So, meron siyang minerals, enzyme, chlorophyll, vitamins, at protein. So, kapag daw pala sinabing minerals, ang mineral daw po na kailangan ng katawan, dapat may mineral ka kasi ang mineral, the ring of life. And then, sabi dyan, balance and maintenance of mineral is the key to health. Health means that the management of life activity within the body is normal. So, ibig sabihin pala, pag sinabi mong health, yung function ng katawan mo, buong katawan mo kasama internal, normal. So, kapag unhealthy ka, hindi siya normal. 'Di ba? So, ganun po yun. So, pag sinabing, kumusta yung health mo? Ibig sabihin nun, ang tanong niya, normal ba yung function ng katawan mo? 'Di ba? Nung health mo, 'di ba? Ganun po siya. And then sabi dyan, to maintain health, minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and calcium are essential. 'Di ba? So, important pala yung potassium, magnesium, and calcium. So, dito, potassium daw po yung pinaka-importante. For potassium is contained inherently in the cells. So, kailangan pala yun ng cells of living organism to become a source of life activity. But the human habit of living and eating today do not maintain potassium and other minerals in favorable balance. Do you agree po na yung mga kinakain natin ngayon, halos wala ng potassium kasi more on instant food, 'di ba? More on fast food, 'di ba? Gano'n po siya. So, very important po pala may potassium ka sa katawan. And then, the king of alkaline foods, one of the important function of minerals in our body is to maintain the balance between acid and alkaline. So, si barley po is also considered the king of alkaline food and kailangan po, no, balance yung acid level and yung alkaline level po sa ating katawan. Kasi kapag daw po iyan is na-upset, the cell metabolism po yung magsasuffer, leading to conditions such as fatigue. Kapag napipil mo fatigue ka, makakulang ka po sa alkaline. No? So, ganun po siya. And then, enzyme. So, yung enzyme po na mabibigay sa'yo ng barley is also considered pala regulators of the body. Sila pala yung regulators of the body. Paano? Kasi sabi dyan, modern science has made it clear that all chemical change within the cells of man are performed by the action of enzyme. So, teamwork pala sila, no? Has also been found that minerals have to do with the activities of enzyme. So, kung wala ka mineral po sa katawan mo, hindi magpa-function yung enzyme. So, teamwork sila. No? And then, in this sense, minerals can be said to be enzyme for the enzyme. Enzymes are required to decompose and digest the food we eat. Diba? So, yan po yung tumutulong sa pag-digest or pagdurong na ating mga kinain. And then, a gas exchange inside the lungs sends the air we breathe into the blood cell. This gas exchange would be impossible without enzyme. So, ayan po yan, miss. Ganyan po ka-importante yung enzyme. And, importante din yung enzyme kasi kapag daw po tayo na susugatan, nagkakaroon ng injury, enzyme act to stop bleeding and create new cells. So, siya po pala yung may kagagawa nun. Kung bakit tayo nag-heal, ba't nag-heal yung mga sugat natin, nag-stop yung bleeding because of the enzyme. Enzyme are also involved in moving our hands, legs, and even in the process of thinking. So, ganyan siya ka-importante. So, kapag nagagalaw mo pa yung hands, legs mo, may enzyme ka sa katawan. No? Kapag di mo na magalaw, meds, baka kailangan mo mag-barley kasi may enzymes si barley. So, our body functions normally only in the presence of enzyme. So, ganyan po ka-importante yung enzyme natin. Then, we have chlorophyll. Is similar in chemical structure to human blood. Then, the green leaf is the symbol of the vitality of the earth. Red blood is the symbol of the vitality of higher animal. There is a structural as well as symbolic similarity between the green leaves of the earth and the red blood in our veins. So later on, papakita ko po sa inyo yung diagram. We breathe oxygen in the air and discharge carbon dioxide. The leaf of a plant in the process of reaction called photosynthesis breathe the carbon dioxide gas and discharge oxygen. Without oxygen, of course, we could not survive. So, teamwork din po yung mga puno, halaman, pati yung human. Bakit? Ito later on po, no? So, ito po, no? Because chlorophyll stored energy of the sun, natural chlorophyll is produced by naturally growing plants and is a source of their life activity. We cannot gain chlorophyll from any source other than the leaves of plant. So, yan guys, no? Kung makikita nyo po, di ba ang hemoglobin sa blood, ito naman po yung sa chlorophyll. Kung makikita nyo po, halos the same sila. Ito lang yung pinagkaiba. Tapos, yung Fe, ang sa chlorophyll, Mg. Diba? So, halos the same po, no? So, teamwork din po. Bakit po siya teamwork? Kasi, paano ka nagkaka-oxygen? Because of the plant. Kasi halimbawa, kapag ka po nag-discharge ka ng carbon dioxide, ang tao, i-absorb siya ng plants. Pag na-absorb na yun ng plant, ang ibabalik ni plant to give back is oxygen. So, teamwork din po. Diba? Which is very important. Si barley po has chlorophyll din. And then, vitamins. So, hindi na po ako papatagal sa vitamins kasi alam naman po natin anong function ng vitamins for protection. So, sabi dyan, vitamins pala is guardians of good health. Sabi ni Dr. Hagiwara. Vitamins impart activity to enzymes. So, again, teamwork. So, kung walang mineral, hindi magpa-function si enzyme. Kung wala si enzyme, hindi po magpa-function si vitamins. So, vitamins impart activity to enzyme within the body, thus promoting metabolism. Diba? So, si vitamins, nag-impart na activity sa enzyme natin. So, vitamins also, wait lang, also assist the body in maintaining health against a variety of well-known disease and condition. Diba? So, vitamins, alam na naman po natin para saan yan. Then, proteins. Si body has protein. Building blocks of life pala yung protein. So, amino acids in the building blocks of protein, essential amino acids are the ones you must get through the foods you eat because your body can't make them. So, hindi mo magagawa yung protein, so kailangan mo kumain ng may protein. A disease should be cured naturally by man's own power. Green barley essence is the perfect fuel to sustain man's own power in its quest for good health. So again, si Dr. Hagiwara po nagsabi niyan, kinuha ko po yan directly dun sa book niya, no? So, kailangan pala natin si barley din. Then, ito po, no, yung nakikita nyo po dyan, proven and tested na po yan nila Dr. Hagiwara kasi meron po silang experiment, yung mga taong nagkakaroon ng gantong mga health concerns, pinainom po nila ng barley. Then, after months na tinitik nila yung barley, nagbigay sila ng feedback kay Dr. Hagiwara and nakita din nila yung difference, no? So, pwede po or proven and tested na po siya sa asthma and eczema, obesity from 65 to 60 grams, beautification, skin and rejuvenation, pimples and rough skin, anemia, sexual life reduced potency, constipation, shoulder stiffness, and lumbago. So, yung mga may gastritis din po, gastroptosis and peptic ulcer, pwede, diabetes, hypotension and hypertension, heart disease, nephrosis, cirrhosis, hepatitis, inhibition of cancer. So, ayan na po yung proven and tested na po nila Dr. Hagiwara. And then, eto no, so according po sa book ni Dr. Hagiwara, according to Chinese medicine, yung drugs pala classified into 3. So, merong high-grade drugs, merong medium-grade drugs, and low-grade drugs. Kapag mo nasabing low-grade drugs, toxicants sila. No? Toxicants yung mga drugs na yon. Kapag naman medium-grade drugs, toxicants sila at curing agent or curing agent. Pag sinabi mong high-grade yung iinumin mong drugs, sabi dyan, natural foods which bring the functions of the internal organs to a normal state, which is yung ating po amazing pure organic barley will be considered high-grade drugs. Kasi bakit? Dino-normalize niya po yung function ng ating internal organ. Ganon. And then, let me introduce po sa inyo, aside sa barley, we have our products. And our products po is the bestseller, Amazing Pure Organic Barley. 10 sachet po siya per box. And our Amazing Pure Organic Barley, ayan po, no? Pati po mga artista gumagamit na. Even si Robin Padilla po, meron na po siyang testimony. Nagkaroon po siya before ng bukol, banda daw dito, sabi ni Mentor Mariel. And then, acidic pa po si Robin before. So, nung gumaling si Robin because of our amazing pure organic barley, napansin ni Mariel na nakakakain na si Senator o si Mentor Robin ng ng mga bawal like cake, no, nakakain na daw siya no nang hindi daw sumasakit yung acid or umaandar yung acidic. So, doon na si Mariel, doon siya humanga. Kaya ngayon si Mentor Mariel, ayan, ginagawa na din yung business yung ating amazing pure organic barley. So, biruin mo, even artista, ginagawa yung negosyo natin. Ngayon, may hiya ka pa ba, me? So, diba? So, ganun po kaganda yung product natin. Yung 1,000, di lang po yan 1,000. Bakit? Kasi high quality product po and proven and tested na po ng marami. Diba? And, ito po yung mga prices po, no, later ko na lang, pwede nyo po screenshot, then save nyo po, no, para po kayo is merong basihan, no, and then, we also have amazing organic barley capsule, 100 veggie capsule po siya per box. So, veggie capsule po siya, hindi po plastic yung capsule niya. Veggie caps, no, so organic din. And, ayan po, no, ang endorser natin si Piolo Pascual and also si Miss Aramina. And we also have Robin Padilla na meron pa siyang did you know? Did you know detoxification can help you lose weight, which is correct. Tama po yan, no? And ayan po again ang ating SRP para hindi nyo po nakakalimutan, no? And we also have amazing choco barley. 10 sachet din po siya per box and our endorser is also my beloved ex. Joke lang. So, Park Sojun po, no? Ayan po. And then we also have Marian Rivera and also Jillian Ward. So si Marian po, no, pinapainom din niya yung choco barley natin sa mga anak niya. User din po sila ng barley. And ayan po again yung price. So ito yung choco barley natin, 1,000 siya per box. Pag member ka po, 50% discount. And then we also have coffee para po dun sa mahiling magkape. Amazing black coffee with organic barley. 10 sachet per box po siya. Ang kagandahan dito, may coffee ka na, may barley pa siya, di ba? And ang ating endorser po dyan, the one and only Alden Richard. And you can get 30% to 50% discount kapag po ikaw is distributor, no? Para po doon sa mga hindi pa po member or distributor, pwede po kayo maka-avail ng discount, no? Avail na lang po kayo ng package. And then, ito po yung ating black coffee, 300 pesos po siya per box with 10 sachet. Amazing Cafe Latte po, coffee mixed with barley and alkaline. Ito po, good na good po yung mga coffee natin na may barley, especially the alkaline, para po sa mga taong gusto magkape pero ayaw maging acidic. Bakit? Kasi may alkaline at barley. So, 10 sachet per box din po siya. Latte po yung flavor. Huwag niyo na po itanong, ha? Ayan. And then, ayan nga, si Alden din po ang ating endorser ng ating latte. And we also have our price, which is 750 po siya per box, 10 sachet. And we also have the coffee mocha with barley and alkaline. Same po, 10 sachet per box. And si Alden din po ang ating endorser dyan. Same price, 750 pesos per box po siya. We also have the Acai Berry Extract, 7 sachet per box. And ito po yung benefit na makukuha mo po sa ating Acai Berry. Meron ka ng, kapag uminom ka ng Acai Berry, meron ka ng ginseng. Samahan mo ng turmeric. May collagen pa yan para sa mga kababaihang mahilig sa collagen. Then, Bacopa Moneri, Gotu Cola, meron na rin po siyang omega-3, o, diba? Especially may acai berry. And lastly, meron na rin po siyang barley. Ganun po kaganda yung ating mga product. Nilalagyan natin ng Amazing Pure Organic Barley. And, ayan nga, yung ating acai berry. And ang acai, ay hindi ko pala nalagay. So, acai berry po natin, SRP price is 700 pesos, no? And then, Garcinia Cambodia grape juice para po sa mga mahiling magpa-slim, pwede po kayong mag-Amazing Garcinia Cambodia. And again po, no, 10 sachet po siya per box. And bago po kayo magbenta, it's very important po na tanungin nyo po yung mga bibili sa inyo ng Garcinia Cambodia. Kasi po, hindi po lahat pwedeng uminom ng Garcinia Cambodia. Sinasabi ko na po sa inyo, hindi po tayo dito benta-benta lang. Ang Garcinia Cambodia po natin, pili ang pwedeng makainom. Pero ito po is nakakabawas ng appetite, kaya busog ka kagad. Hindi ka madedeprive sa masasarap na pagkain kasi no need for extreme diet. Kino-convert ni Garcinia Cambodia ang calories into energy, kaya hindi ito na-store as fat. Kaya no need for intense exercise po kapag po nag-Garcinia ka. Wala din po siyang LBM effect, so hindi ka mag-CCR na mag-CCR. Pwede mong gamitin kahit may lakad or meron kang work. So, no unnecessary side effect then no rebounds. And, pwede nyo siyang gamitin up to 6 weeks ng tuloy-tuloy. Pero, you can stop anytime once maabot mo na yung desired size mo. 'Di ba? Minablock nito yung enzyme na tinatawag na citrase lyase, which your body used to make fat. Wait lang. Tinataas din ito yung level ng brain chemical serotonin natin, which make you feel happy. Ayan. And less hungry. Tumutulong din ito para makontrol yung blood sugar sa ating katawan. And higit sa lahat, no side effect and hindi laxative, meaning walang CR moment. Ayan. And then, side effect. Wala itong side effect. Wala tong bad side effect like LBM, stomach cramp, or palpitation. Organic and natural po ang Garcinia Cambodia natin. The good thing about our product is FDA approved, halal approved, all organic and natural. Ito na guys. Pag-inom ng Garcinia Cambodia, every before meal po ang intake. So, effective na 1 sachet per day. Pero kung gusto mong mas mapabilis, maganda mo 2 to 3 sachet per day. Basta before, 30 minutes before eating, inumin mo na siya. No? Or before breakfast, dinner. Once you drink it, days pa lang po, suppress na agad ang appetite nyo in a week. May mababawas na sa weight nyo. Pero double check nyo pa din, no? Normally, by first week is may nabawas ng pounds, no? Sa mga gumagamit ng product, pwede nyo pong malaman ang mga testimony sa mga gumagamit ng product sa album natin, no? Sa group. So, maganda, ma-add ka na sa group. Kung wala ka pa sa group, pa-invite ka po sa mentor mo, no? Para ma-add ka po sa group. So, ilan mababawas? Okay. Depende po yan sa body. Minsan, mas malaki ang mababawas if first time mag-take ng Garcinia. Sa 1 box, you can lose 1 to 3 pounds. Sa 1 box. 2 box, you can lose 3 to 5 pounds. Then 3 box, you can lose 5 to 8 pounds. Again po, depende yan sa body type. Hindi porket, uminom kang Garcinia, ito na agad yung mababawas. So, depende po, sa body type. So, again, hindi ito pwede, ito po yung take note nyo ha, lalo na po is distributor ka na. Hindi siya pwede sa mga tao with high blood sugar pressure, diabetes, heart problem, or under any prescribed medication. Diba? So, bawal po sila doon. No, wag mo yun na lang pong bentahan. Mas maganda kung mag-barley na lang sila. Then, not suggested to lactating mommy or pregnant and children. Okay? Not recommended below 17 years old. Not recommended to, sa mga tao po na merong GERD, gastritis, ulcer, goiter, at thyroid. Ayan. So, take note nyo po yan ha. So, before magbenta, very important, alamin po natin kung pasok po ba sila kasi i-qualify mo yung iinom ng Garcinia Cambogia natin. Then, Garcinia Cambogia po natin, 900 po siya per box. No, so 10 sachet din po siya per box. So, we also have Amazing Immunergy. Sa Immunergy po natin, vitamin C na siya, vitamin D, zinc, at malunggay. Kung naghahanap ka ng vitamin C, dito ka na sa atin. 50 capsule per box po siya, yung ating Amazing Immunergy. Maganda po siya. Depende po yan sa katawan ha, kasi na-experience ko na uminom ako ng Immunergy, gabi yun, matutulog na. Nung pag-inom ko, gising ako hanggang 5 AM. So, pero nasa inyo po, kung gusto niyo uminom ng gabi, sa akin lang, yun lang yung na-experience ko. So, nakakaano talaga siya ng energy, boost ng energy. And then, Immunergy po, 500 per box, SRP. So, member price, ayan po, screenshot nyo po para alam nyo, And then, we have Amazing White. So, sa mga hilig po sa glutathione, again, ang glutathione po is hindi po siya gamot at hindi po siya pwede ipanggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit. Diba? So, ayan. Ayan, medyo may kulang pala akong slide. Pero, later on, ko na lang. Sama ko na lang mga mets yung, meron din tayong Amazing Slim. So, hindi ko siya nalagay sa slide. Tapos, meron din tayong Coffee Glutathione. So, lalagay ko na lang, pag may time. Pasensya na po, So, new product po kasi natin Amazing Slim. Ayan. Ganda po niya, Marami po siyang benefits. So, video na lang po ulit ako for, another set ng product knowledge. So, ayan. So, the key to good health, product knowledge again. What is organic certification? If it's not certified organic, you can be sure it's organic. So, yung atin po, certified organic. Bakit? Formal organic certification of organic product is the producer's guarantee to consumers that along the entire supply chain, certified organic product has been pronounced in line with the strict national and industry organic and biodynamic standard. Yan, meds. Now, yung sa atin, certified organic, which means organic talaga. And yung pinaka-ano natin, is since from Australia, ito po siya, Australia Certified Organic, yung ating amazing product. And NASA, ano ba yung NASA? Hindi po yung NASA na nagdi-discover po ng galaxy ha. So, NASA is the National Association for Sustainable Agriculture Australia. When you see the NASA organic label on a product, you can be sure that it is certified to the highest level or highest standard available in Australia and to one of the most respected standard in the world. So, ganoon po amazing yung product natin kasi NASA certified po yan. May label ng NASA. And then, ito po yung ating mga makikita nyo sa product natin. So, ang atin po is Super Brand, Herb All Organic po. From Herbal Organic, Herb All po is the company of Maritoni Fernandez na sila po nagmamanufacture ng product natin. So, sila po yung nagmamanufacture, sinusupply po sa atin sa IM Worldwide. Ganun po siya. So, direct po tayo kay Ms. Maritoni Fernandez. Then, halal po. pwede po sa mga kapatid nating mga Muslim. Australia Certified Organic, 100% natural product and FDA approved po yung ating produkto. So, ano ba yung makukuha mo sa 1 sachet? Ayan, kasi namamahalan ka pa sa ano, no? Kung namamahalan ka pa, huwag ka mamahalan. Kasi, kung tutuusin, mura na yan. Kasi makakuha mo 11 times more calcium, 7 times more vitamin C, 5 times more iron than spinach na siya, 4 times more vitamin B than wheat flour. Contains 8 of the essential amino acids, has the highest antioxidant value, contains 80 mg of vitamin B12, and neutralizes heavy metals, has antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and anti-ulcer. Oh, biruin mo, 1 sachet yan agad yung benefit, di ba? And then, one of the legendary testimony that we have is yung kay Miss Maritoni Fernandez. Siya mismo, proven and tested na niya yung ating amazing pure organic barley. Hanggang ngayon, cancer-free po siya. Diba? And ito po yung benefits si barley. So, even si Dr. Hagiwara, sabi niya dyan, may research has shown that the green leaves of the young barley grass contains the most prolific balanced supply of nutrients that exist on earth in a single source. And the only vegetation on earth that can supply nutritional support from birth to old age. Diba? Then, ayan yung 68 micronutrients na makukuha mo with minerals, enzyme, vitamins, at amino acid. So, gaano kadami yung benefit, di ba? Sa ano lang, no? Pag member price, magkano lang yan, di ba? And then, what is barley? So, sabi nga ni Dr. Hagiwara, it is good for repair, growth, and well-being. And ang sabi niya dyan, marami siyang amount ng active components such as enzyme, chlorophyll, antioxidant, mineral, vitamins, and protein. These essential nutrients are vital in maintaining health. Diba? And then, ayan na nga guys. So, ano ba yung 4 stages na ma-undergo kapag ikaw is nag-barley? Unang stage guys is cleansing stage. Kapag po ikaw is first time mo nag-barley at may health concern ka, first stage na maranasan mo cleansing. Meron kang mararanasan na, halimbawa, pag nag-inom ka na ng barley tapos may health concern, meron kang mararamdaman doon sa part na may health concern ka or meron mararamdaman yung katawan mo na kakaiba. Pero, advice ko po, huwag mo po itigil. Kasi that is barley working inside your body na kine-cleanse na niya yung mga toxins sa katawan. So, dapat po, huwag nyo itigil. Tuloy-tuloy nyo lang po. Then, pag na po yun is na-cleanse na, i-detox po niya yan sa labas ng katawan mo. Either through CR, through ihi, through singaw, minsan through pimple. Pero wag niyo po itigil. Kasi po, that's barley working to your body, no, na ma-detox yung mga toxins sa katawan. And then, stage 3. Kapag na-detox na yung mga, yung mga dumi sa katawan, papalitan na yan ng nutrients. So, ma-absorb na ng katawan mo yung nutrients. Pag na-absorb na ng katawan mo yung nutrients, mare-regenerate na yung cells. Diyan ka na magkakaroon ng beautiful skin. Diba? Ganyan siya. Ganyan yung 4 stages. So, pwede nyo po to screenshot, then ano nyo na lang po, no? Save nyo na lang para po meron kayong copy. And then, ayan po, antioxidant value ng barley natin is, ORAC value is oxygen radical absorption capacity. Yung ORAC po, sila po yung tumutulong sa ating katawan para makapag-absorb ng radiation. So, ayan po, no? Yung sa atin, 25,500 or 100 gram. And then, ayan po, no, kung pagsasama-samahin yung fruits, raisins, kales, spinach at grapes, wala pa rin sila sa katumbas na kayang ibigay ni barley sa katawan. Diba? Ganun siya ka-amazing. And, our barley is gluten-free, GMO-free, additive-free, dairy-free, vegan, and sustainable po yung ating barley. And, ayan. So, ayan nga, may enzyme, mineral, vitamins, protein, chlorophyll, and king of alkaline po ang barley natin. So, recap na lang po to, no, summary. So, si barley has enzyme. Si enzyme po nag-create ng chemical reaction in the body. They actually speed up the rate of chemical reaction to help support life. So sila po yung nagsusupport ng life natin. The enzyme in the body helps to perform very important tasks. These include building muscles, destroying toxins, and breaking down food particles during digestion. Diba? Ganyan po yung importance ni enzyme na makuha mo si barley. And vitamins. So barley is originally grown without using any chemical pesticide, herbicide, or fertilizer. The plants are harvested when the young leaves sprout after dormancy of winter when it contains the widest spectrum of nutrients. Barley grass is rich in vitamin A and C, which acts as antioxidant. These vitamins help fight off free radicals that can damage your body. They help carry free radicals out of the body and lower your risk of problems ranging from decreased skin elasticity to breast and colon cancer. And alkaline. The metabolism suffer if alkaline level is unbalanced that causes fatigue. So, ayan guys. So, kapag di okay metabolism mo, makakulang ka sa alkaline. Slows the aging process, regulate your body's pH level, and prevents chronic disease like cancer. Nutritionist says that up to 90% of what people eat today is too acidic. Do you agree? Symptoms of over-acidity includes fatigue, insomnia, restlessness, and constipation. Diba, guys? So, kapag pagod na pagod ka, may insomnia, fatigue, or constipated, ayan, mag-barley ka mens para sakop mo lahat ng nutrients. And proteins. Our body needs dietary proteins to supply amino acids for the growth and maintenance of our cells and tissue. The body breaks down consumed proteins into amino acid and absorb it. It is used to build muscles and organs, to more hormones and antibodies to be stored as fat and to be burned as energy. Diba? And then chlorophyll. So again, chlorophyll has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory property. May be cancer protective, may improve wound healing, and may support proper red blood cell activities and hemoglobin level. Ganyan ka-importante ang chlorophyll. Chlorophyll in green barley leaves has a similar molecular structure as hemoglobin and is easily absorbed into the blood, known as green blood. Chlorophyll is able to control the growth of pathogenic disease, help our body to secrete toxin and the production of blood and revitalization cells. Diba? And again, you can screenshot mga mens, no? 68 micronutrients na makikita mo sa ating amazing pure organic barley. And we also have frequently asked questions. So, meron kayo ma-encounter na baka tanungin po kayo ng client nyo na ganito, no? So, can I take barley glass while taking medication? Pwede ba ako uminom ng barley habang may iniinom akong gamot? Sabi dyan, hanggat hindi po kayo pinagbabawalan ng pagkain na kumain ng salad or green vegetable, pwede po kayo mag-consume ng barley glass. Ayan po yun. And then, will I have allergic reaction to barley? Hindi po. No. The powder juice is taken from the leaves of the barley grass, not matured grain. So, wala pong allergic reaction. And then, if I take barley grass, should I also take other supplements? There's no need for you to take other supplements because barley grass provides a wide range of essential nutrients and is also finely balanced. I also have how to consume. Again, empty content of 1 sachet into half glass of warm or cold water, stir to dissolve. So, warm po, no, wag po hot water. Drink it on an empty stomach 30 minutes before meal or 2 hours after meal. Drink within 20 minutes of preparing live enzymes die after that. So, mahalaga po pag nakakanaw nyo na yung barley, dapat inumin nyo po agad ng 20 minutes. Bakit? Kasi pag more than 20 minutes, yung live enzyme na kailangan ng katawan mo, wala na. Sayang. So, kailangan inumin mo pagkakanaw agad. Take 1 to 2 sachet per day for prevention. Take 2 to 3 sachet per day for medical condition. Okay? And then, To whom is barley grass good for? So, everyone can benefit from the nutrition of barley grass. So, lahat po pwede. It is an excellent food for people of all ages from young children to elderly. Pregnant women who consume barley grass provide their unborn child with excellent nutrition. So, even pregnant po pwede. And I started taking barley grass and I feel worse. Why? So, ayan na nga mga mens. When you begin taking barley grass, your body often goes through a cleansing known as detoxification. This manifests itself in fatigue, rashes, headache, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, insomnia, or constipation, depending on the state of your health or your diet. It is your body flushing out toxin and will soon pass. So, if ever may ma-receive po kayo na questions to, bakit gano'n nung nag-barley ako, iba yung naging pakiramdam ko? Nagkaroon ng rashes, headache, nausea, nagbo-vomiting ako, susuka ako, nag-diarrhea, insomnia, or constipation. Ayan. So, depende po yan sa katawan or sa health concern. Pero, pag po ganyan, ano po kayo, no, may nararamdaman kayong ganyan, huwag niyo po itigil. Ituloy-tuloy-tuloy niyo lang po yung pag-inom. Kasi nga, ipina-flush na po niya yung toxin sa katawan. Kaya may mga nararamdaman po kayang ganyan. Pero, mawawala din po yan, no? Usually, after a week or 2. Depende po sa mga health concern. And then, why are green barley leaves known as the king of alkaline food? Kasi po, ayan, mataas siya. And, ito na nga guys. So, yung iba kasi po, no, hindi naniwala hanggat walang testimony. So, ito po yung ating testimony ng ating amazing pure organic barley. So, for hypertension, ayan po yung dahilan paano siya nakaka-help. Because barley is good for hypertension due to the presence of enzymes such as fatty acid oxidase, peroxidase, catalase, cytochrome oxidase, and transhydrogenase that cause decomposition of fat into our body. And then due to the presence of chlorophyll, which cut excess cholesterol and triglycerides and other lipids. It is also good for hypertension due to the presence of soluble fiber, which helps metabolize the fats, the cholesterol, and carbohydrates. Ayan, wait lang. Due to the presence of arginine, 14.3 mg/mg at higher amounts, which keeps the blood vessel elastic, keeping the body flow smoothly. It melts away plaque and that exists on the blood vessels and reduces blood clots and bad cholesterol. Due to the formation of pro-collagen type 4, which prevents formation of plaque, atherosclerotic plaques in the blood vessels. And ito po yung mga testimony po natin ng mga natulungan sa hypertension. And then, cancer. So, because of the superoxide dismutase, the P4D1 enzyme, potassium, which is 3,800 mg or 100 mg, peroxidase, highly alkaline, ORAC 25,500 per 100 grams at 2.0 glycosylioxycin. Ang haba ng pangalan. Pero yan po yung mga dahilan, ba't po siya nakakatulong sa mga cancer? So, again, pwede po siya sa all types ng cancer kasi iba-iba yung cancer. Pwede po, no? Ayan. And then, diabetes. So, ito pong testimony natin ng diabetes. Actually, napakarami po siyang medicine. Kung makita nyo po, ayun yung medicine niya. Sobrang dami, nasa bag. Iniinom daw po niya yung per day. Then, because of the barley, ayan, natulungan po yung diabetes niya. And then, it's arginine and chromium po yung nakatulong na maano yung yung diabetes niya, gumaling. Then we also have the arthritis, rheumatism, and gout testimony. So, ayan guys, andyan na po yung mga testimony natin. And pwede nyo yung screenshot para po mabasa nyo later on. Then we also have, ayan, asthma. Si Mentor Victoria po, nakatim mismo natin, business partner natin. Severe asthma po ang ano niya, no, asthma. Yung kailangan pa niya mag-oxygen pag umanda yung asthma niya. Ngayon po, okay na yung pakiramdam niya because of the barley. And we also have testimony for ulcer. Ito nga, acid reflux and GERD pa. When we also have acid reflux din and Lahat po sila may testimony. We also have the ulcer or infertility, which is, ayan nga po. So, yung nagkaroon na rin po sila ng baby, dalawa na. 'Di ba? Doon po sa mga mahirap magkaanak, maganda din po mag-barley kayo ng both partner nyo. Kasi siya po is natulungan kasi ilang years na din sila nag-try mag-conceive ngayon. After 11 years, may 2 baby na sila. Ayan. And then, liver cirrhosis and fatty liver. So, ayan po. Ito nga, ang dami niyang health concerns. Stage 4 liver cirrhosis, cardiac arrest, sick brain injury, and respiratory failure pa yun sa kanya. Pero tulungan pa ng ating amazing pure organic barley and also fatty liver na help po ng barley. We also have psoriasis, skin disease, and acne. Ayan guys ha, yan yung testimony. Then you can screenshot po para mabasa nyo po why. Then, we also have dysmenorrhea. So, ayan, ito nga, gallstone with high blood pa, di ba? Insomnia, dysmenorrhea, allergy. Ang dami, pero natulungan po ng barley. Siya naman po, dysmenorrhea, then meron din pong skin disease. And we also have testimony sa myoma, guys. Di ba? So, yung mga kilala nyo pong may myoma, pwede nyo pong pa-tryin ang ating amazing pure organic barley. So, again, ito naman po, no, tongue cancer. Ayan, so biruin nyo napakaraming testimony. Ang dami niyang health concern because of the barley, natulungan siya. Diba? Ganun po ka-amazing yung ating amazing pure organic barley. So, huwag po tayong mahiyang i-share yan kasi very amazing po talaga yung barley natin. And then, ayan po, we also have anemia testimony. So, ayan nga, bumaba ang hemoglobin niya daw. And then, because of the barley, natulungan po siya. Then, ito po yung mga naging reason bakit po nakakatulong yung barley sa mga may anemia. And then, we also have the rhinitis. So, ayan, si Ms. Victoria meron din, no, na testimony yung client niya, merong allergic rhinitis na natulungan ng ating amazing barley. Ito nga, si Ineng, di ba? So, asthma pa, tas allergic rhinitis yun sa kanya. So, because of the barley, natulungan din po yung kanilang health concern. Ganun kaganda yung produkto mo, mens, no? So, wag ka pong mahiya i-share. And then we also have overweight. Oh, guys, para po doon sa may pag-asa pa, meds. Di ba? So, siya, ito yung testimony niya before. Ito na siya now. We also have before and after dito. Ayan. So, biruin nyo, guys. Nakaka-help din po yung barley natin. Pag nandidetox po niyo yung unwanted was sa katawan, matik ang pag-lose weight. And then, we also have migraine. Ayan, so biruin nyo guys, napakarami ang health concern pero natulungan ng ating amazing pure organic barley. And then, ayan nga, we also have, ayan, bad breath and body odor. So, nakaka-help pala si barley sa mga bad breath and body odor. Pero syempre, mens, aminin ba natin, yun, mens, no? So, kaya wala ako nalagay na picture dyan. So, pero, nakaka-help po siya. So, ayan guys, so may kilala kayo, pwede din po. Then, sa barley natin, we also have dengue testimony. So, even po ang ating mga kids, ayan, ang mga nagkaroon ng dengue, natulungan po ng barley. So, if ever may kakilala po kayong may ganyang health concern, share nyo na po yung barley po natin, no? Para po ma-help po sila. And, ayan, latest testimony, one of my direct business partner or isa sa nagtiwala sa atin, no? Ayan po, meron siyang testimony. Siya po is pregnant and ang galing ng barley kasi sabi niya dyan, kapag nag-transb na siya, and ang sabi niya, normal ang resulta. Then, yun lang ang, ano ba yun? Tapos sabi niya dyan, pati imagine 13 weeks pa lang, pero malikot na daw yung baby. So, ang bilis ng ano nung baby, no? Kasi normally, nasa ano lang, 26, 36 bago lumikot, no? Pero 13 weeks pa lang daw malikot na yung baby niya. So, siguro paglabas bibo, no? So, and then, ayan, no, pinakita niya yung kanyang, ultrasound. And sabi daw nung doctor, sabi nga nung nag-check up sa akin nung nakaraan, nung nakita niya result ko nung lab, ang healthy mo naman, puro normal yung result mo. 'Di ba? So, ayan, 'di ba? So, proud na proud ako habang nagsishare siya. Yung tipong, ang sarap lang sa damdamin kasi ikaw yung naging way para ma-introduce yung barley ngayon, no? Healthy siya. Then, kaya uminom din po ako talaga ako kasi 'di ba pag buntis yung breast part, parang bumibigat. Tas masakit. Nakaka-help din siya ma-lessen yung pain. 'Di ba? Ganun ka-amazing. So, ayan, nag-share siya ng testimony. Diba? And then, we also have testimony for brain tumor. Biruin niyo po, may tanning na siya na 5 months to live na lang, sabi ng doktor. Pinaghahanda sila ng 1.5 million for operation. And nagsabi sila na bigyan sila ng time makapag-come up ng pang-operation. Good thing na lang na-introduce yung barley natin. And biruin mo guys, third week pa lang taking barley, 1 box a day, okay na. Tas wala na yung brain tumor. No need for operation. Ganun po siya kaganda, yung barley product natin. And then, ayan guys, so marami pa tayong testimony. Katulad dito, Japanese talaga siya. Lambago naman yung kanya, hindi niya maangat yung kamay niya ng ganun kataas. So, naangat lang daw niya hanggang dito lang. So, ayun, because of the barley, naaangat na niya. And we also have Bell Palsy testimony, PCOS testimony, GERD, vertigo, and blood sugar normalized. So, actually, almost lahat na po ata to na-checkan na ng ating amazing pure organic barley. So, ganun siya kaganda, guys. So, ayan, kaya we will never stop sharing hope kasi nga maganda yung produkto i-share. And then, ayan guys, so 1,000 siya per box for non-member SRP price, no? And we have 500 pesos for distributor. If ever gusto niyo po maka-discount sa barley, mas maganda talaga na mag-member po na lang kayo, no? Para po discounted po kayo lifetime, may benefits pa po kayo sa ating amazing pure organic barley. And then guys, sabi nga dyan, Hippocrates, the father of medicine, health is the greatest of human blessing. Diba? And ayan nga, always download po this for our SRP price and distributor price po, no? Para hindi po kayo malito sa price. And ayan guys, once again, always thanks God, and iwan ko na lang kayo sa Jeremiah 29:11, that for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. And we all build for His glory. So thank you so much everyone, and I hope marami kayong na-learn, marami kayong natutunan para in case po meron magtanong sa yung client nyo or kaibigan nyo, kamag-anak, kadugo, kapamilya, kapuso, ano, ayan, alam nyo po yung sasagot. Equip po kayo, no? At alam nyo po yung produkto natin. It's better po na meron po tayong alam, no? Para po alam po natin yung ating isasagot sa ating mga nakakausap. So, yun lang again, guys. Once again, my name is Mentor Crystal Gem Odohan, and I'm legit distributor of Amazing Pure Organic Barley. You have a great day, everyone. Bye for now. Bye, guys. Ayan. Thank you.